Well, that piece of bait right there just destroyed that planer board, didn't it?
Something I'd hold like crap here.
Right when I got ready to jerk it.
Oh, connection.
Do we have a hookup?
Come to me.
Come on, Jason.
He's a leaving here. He's a going up the river.
Better hit the big button.
I got it.
Must be nice, all I gotta say.
Give me that.
That looked like a mushroom. Brakes engaged. I didn't know there were stripers that small in this lake.
Was I'm telling you what, that's a pretty striper. That's a little one, but I'm telling you right now, he made that 7,000 sing for a second or two there. Hey, Jason.
Yes, sir. They pissed. They give them in.
Oh, that fish is a little bigger. Chunky bug.
Hold on one.
Well, last one I had, I barely had that hook. You all notice that? Fat belly.
21. 21 and a half. Fat. Yeah.
Take some pictures with your cell phone, Adam, so you have them for text messages.
Move your hand up him a little bit where it makes his belly look bigger.
Backboard, Adam.
I got a good look at me though. You moved. That's fast for you.
And number 2, folks.
That's a sucker, too.
Number 2, hell, that's number 3.
No, I mean,
Oh,
language, please. Hey, Jason.
Sure.
How'd that make you feel?
That's good. With all the 20s in here, now we gotta find the 30.